Efficiency is vital for business. Being able to create, collaborate and communicate seamlessly makes any organisation more effective. Having access to productivity tools that enable people to do their jobs more easily and from anywhere makes organisations agile and helps them to compete within their chosen sector. Office 365 is Microsoft's flagship productivity suite with tools like Exchange Online, OneDrive, SharePoint and Teams. Here are 5 reasons our clients use Office 365. One platform. Office 365 offers a single platform for email, file storage, telephony, instant messaging and video conferencing. The platform's continuing to grow and improve with massive strides made in telephony and video conferencing in the last 12 months. Applications. Office 365 services are delivered via applications that most people are very familiar with. Outlook, Word, Excel, these are applications that most people within a corporate environment will have used for years. So the training overhead when moving to a 365 is greatly reduced compared to moving to another solution such as Google's G Suite package. Security. Although many of the security features within 365 are not enabled by default, when deployed and configured, they can offer much more granular controls over your data than ever before. If you're currently using 365, I'd urge you to speak to your IT team or managed service provider to ensure that you're using the security tools that the platform offers. Compliance tools. Using a single platform for all your corporate data also helps with compliance and e-discovery, whether it be that for internal use or in the event of having to perform queries of your data for GDPR or regulatory purposes. Having the ability to search different data sets such as email, instant message and file storage from a single console is a real benefit. Clear, scalable pricing. Office 365 is paid for on a per user per month basis. The cost of your licenses depends on the level of functionality you choose for your business. Different enterprise levels include different applications and products, which dictates the cost of each license. Paying per user per month without any upfront setup fees from Microsoft makes it an affordable solution for startups and a scalable model for growing businesses. If you have any further questions about Office 365 solutions for your business, then please do get in touch today.